Deep within a dense jungle, a curious and adventurous group of young animals embarked on an exciting expedition. There was Leo the lion cub, Mia the monkey, Oliver the elephant calf, and Bella the brave little bird. Little did they know that danger lurked in the shadows. As they ventured deeper, they encountered a cunning and ferocious predator named Shadow, a sleek panther with piercing eyes. Shadow saw the young animals as easy prey and began to chase them through the dense foliage. Fear coursed through their veins as they ran for their lives. In their frantic escape, they stumbled upon a hidden cave. With no other option, they sought refuge inside, hoping to escape Shadow's relentless pursuit. As they caught their breath, they realized they were trapped. The cave was home to a venomous snake, waiting for an opportunity to strike. Fear turned into courage as Bella, the little bird, hatched a plan. She flew out of the cave and caught Shadow's attention, luring him away from her friends. Meanwhile, Leo, Mia, and Oliver gathered their strength and devised a plan to confront the snake. With teamwork and quick thinking, they distracted the snake long enough to escape its clutches. They reunited with Bella, who had successfully eluded Shadow. Exhausted but united, they ventured back to their homes, grateful for their survival and newfound bond. The moral of the story is that even in the face of danger, courage, teamwork, and quick thinking can lead to triumph. The young animals learned the importance of supporting and protecting one another, facing their fears, and using their individual strengths to overcome challenges. This dangerous jungle adventure taught them that unity and bravery can turn seemingly impossible situations into moments of victory. It is a reminder for children to be brave, stay together, and face adversity head-on, knowing that they are stronger when they stand united. Please supporting us by like, comment, and subscribing. Thank you.